All right, so we are out here again. This is the second hunt this year. We have about 1.5 feet on the ground of snow from the last hunt we were on. We got the decoy set up. Delta's excited. Just wanted to show you guys the trailer real quick. So just 12-foot enclosed. Did a little bit of cabinetry on the front there. I can show you those later, but it separated the front from the back with this little piece of webbing. It's a good spot to just store flags, layouts, etc. Back here's where all the deeks go. I ran 2 light bars inside the trailer that run off a generator on the front, and then the outside lights that light up the decoy area are right up there, and they all run off this generator on the front here. I picked this trailer up in the off season as a fun little project, so I'll definitely look forward to using the trailer instead of hauling multiple truckloads of decoys.
Here we go! Okay. They haven't started flying yet, so that's kind of good. Gives us a little time. Delta kennel. Good dog. Good dog. Okay. That's a good girl.
Hey Caitlin, you take this one. Shoot him, Caitlin. Nice.
Good girl, Delta.
Good doggo.
Did you shoot? No, that was all you. That was all you? I was like, hey, no, after I saw it hit
Here.
time, I just pulled back. Good girl.
Here, Delta, here. You want to shoot him, Jake?
Mm-hmm.
Kill him. Very nice. So we just went to grab some lunch and we came back, and forward we're going. Oh God, we got a big line coming at us. I was able to sneak back into the blind, grab my shotgun, and I cleaned 3 of the 4 that were up. I'll throw a picture of the cell phone footage on the video, but we got a stringer coming behind us here.
You got 2 with 1 shot. Oh my God.
Kill him. All right, low flag, low flutter, low flutter. We're gonna cut the first group because there's plenty to shoot. Oh, yeah. Hey, make sure, listen, make sure you shoot your lanes, okay?
Hey, after you shoot, reload fast.
Oh fuck, that big group in back. Hey, we're gonna take the front line, okay? I'm gonna start at the right and work left. Shit, what do you want to do? Wait. Fuck, what do you want to do?
Yeah, let's do it.
No.
Yep.
Kill him. How many did we get?
I got 1.5.
Here. Give. Back.
I gotta go shoot that one right there.
Where, the one that went way deep?
That one behind the hay bales.
Hey, flag, and get down. Flag. Here.
Make sure you're reloaded.
Delta.
3 shells.
Here. Kennel. That wind is gonna wreak havoc on us all day. Some little ones and some huge ones. Here. Hold. Give. Good dog.
Those second ones are low.
Just wait. Or you want to take the 2, Jake?
Yeah.
Okay. Kill him. Don't shoot.
It's down. Get it, Delta. Back. Good girl. Hey, get back in. We got him circling.
That's pretty good. I debated picking up my gun, but I didn't. Good girl. Delta give. Back. Good shooting, guys. Give.